All right, that's gonna wrap up the tour of the Copeland.
Big shout out to Pete here. Thanks for giving us a tour, man. It was awesome. We're gonna head out and grab some lunch with the team and
Cut. What's up, guys? We are here at Milo Apartments. Here at the Milo Apartments, about to do a leasing tour. OC, our leasing director, set it up. We do this every week. We got a few of our agents. We got Thomas showing up right now, and we're gonna do a little tour and check it out and see what we can offer to our clients.
Who's OC?
So OC,
Was he in our last video?
Yes, he was. This is OC. He's our leasing director.
What's up, guys?
He manages our leasing team and he sets these up, and everybody seems to enjoy them, and we can go introduce the rest of the team as well.
All right, let's go do it.
Dude,
No germs.
way too much. What?
Hi guys, how you doing?
Hi, good, how are you?
Waiting for the time to pass me by. Cringing in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. Now it's taking so for granted.
So leasing is an important aspect of our brokerage, and for a lot of our agents that are getting started, you know, actually a lot of them have been agents for a while, but leasing provides that immediate revenue for them, especially with our leasing department that we have set up, the structure to teach them exactly how to do it from A to Z, and especially apartment locating is pretty sweet. Sometimes they pay 1.5 times to the rent price, so you're getting 1.5 first month's rent. OC has set all this up. He's really the man when it comes to leasing, and we put him in the right spot to guide and direct the team, and it's been really beneficial for everybody. Received a lot of positive feedback, and we're excited to continue moving forward with it. We're trying to grow it right now, actually, so if you're an all-star leasing agent, reach out to myself, Matt, OC, click the link below. We'll see you guys at the next property. All right, now we're at the Copeland. It's right here near the Domain, right by the new soccer stadium. It's a great location. Let's go check it out.
Just want to let you know now. But any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Okay?
Cool. Thank you.
Conference room.
I'm gonna grab a water.
Waiting for the time to pass me by. Cringing in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. Now it's taking so for granted.
What is the rent for this unit?
So the rent starts at around $13.49. So yeah, it is really good. Prior to COVID, it was running around $15.49, $1,500. Exterior unit has a lot of great natural light. Even our interior units have a lot of great natural light too.
What's the application fee here?
$50 and then a $200 admin. They're doing a special right now where we'll return that at move-in if they lease within 24 or apply within 24 hours after touring.
Gotcha, like a little look and listen.
Exactly. There's a train station right by here, like 8-minute walk away. It's the Kramer station, so people can go, they can commute, they can go downtown. Very easy for them to do.
Yeah.
So I'm good.
This is big.
I shouldn't make jokes like
What's the
that.
square footage of this here? This one's 1,146. Really like it.
Only bottom floor have
No,
hardwood.
every floor.
Perks of the job.
Floor does.
See?
Yep.
Yeah.
Told you. Why do they not put them on the top floors usually.
But they do it for us because of the noise.
That's why?
Yeah, that's why.
A lot of people are deciding to move in here because of everything going on in the inside of the building.
It's not the headquarters. So, no, we were all over the place getting parked. Yeah, no, you're fine.
Yeah, that's it. We're both that type A personalities.
All right, that's gonna wrap up the tour of the Copeland.
Big shout out to Pete here. Thanks so much, man, for giving us a tour. And to all the agents out there, you know, I've been doing this for the better part of 10 years, being a licensed agent, that is. And, you know, the main focus of my business is still leasing. And, you know, it's not something that, you know, my ego gets really stoked about. But if you look at everything in the right perspective and you stay humble, you know, there's a lot of opportunity in places that you might not be willing to look. But if you're just willing to uncover a few rocks, put your ego aside and, you know, check out leasing, you might find some gems.
Yeah, man, and we got an awesome leasing department. OC is the leasing director. He oversees it, and we set our agents up with success, teach them what to do from A to Z. We give them all the tools necessary. We got the software, the leads, the marketing, and all of our leasing agents love it. So let us know. Click the link below if you want to learn more about our leasing department. And we're about to go grab some lunch at Dos Salsas with the team. We love getting everybody together. It's great spending time with them, going to tour units, answering questions, and
If you have any questions, I'm always here to help.
yep, absolutely. So we'll see you guys next week. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's Friday. Maybe go get some pizza later. One bite. Everybody knows the rules. See y'all next week.
Just fading.